Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your main domain on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, the way that you remove standard domains or add-on domains or subdomains is the following. It's very easy, 3 steps. You just need to log into your cPanel, go into domains, and go into domains, and then select manage to the right of the domain you want to delete, and then click remove domain. Now, this is used for add-on domains or subdomains. Add-on domains are especially important to be deleted if you're trying to delete that add-on, but other than that, you cannot delete your main domain. This is not something that is available in cPanel. This is pretty much the main domain is needed and is directly tied to your cPanel account. And there are 2 ways in which you can delete that, however, not through cPanel. The first is to just simply change the main domain, and that'll change it to something else. However, if you want to completely delete the domain as well as the site, you are gonna need to contact your hosting provider, whichever hosting you're using. You're gonna need to go ahead and actually, contact them, ask them to delete your domain, or you can just unsubscribe from your domain, wait for the subscription to run out, and then they'll shut down your domain for you. However, if you want to delete it quickly, you will need to contact the support or whatever of your main domain where you're having it hosted, and then ask them to delete it. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.